Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to activate Instagram quiet mode on phone. First of all, open up the Instagram app. Once you get into the Instagram app, click on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then click on Menu from the top right corner. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click on Notifications. From here, you can find the quiet mode. Click on it and turn on the quiet mode. You can set the time for it and then it will automatically turn on that time. This is how you can activate quiet mode on your Instagram. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.